going to church with my friend Austin at 4 p.m. Okay, see you after I arrive at church. After I arrive, I see my friend Vino, Dede, and Ragil. We all sit down to start the worship. After the worship, we get some snack. And then I and Austin are going to Alfamart to buy a bottle of the water. After that, I and Austin head back to the church. And then I and Austin will go home at 7 p.m. Before I go to my house, I say goodbye to Austin. I eat after I change my clothing. After it, I want go to sleep. Goodbye.